I'm Benedikt Lehnert, the Chief Design Officer at Wunderlist. The most important thing that I've learned being a designer is not to see design as craft or a thing you do on your own, but that design is a very inclusive process. And my job changed in turn to become more of a teacher and someone who brings people together who are not designers to in turn create better experiences. So designers should really leave their ivory towers and bring people together, because that's what's the most important. Design is a way of looking at the world. It's not something that only you do and other people don't. Actually, everyone should be part of the design process. So there are two things that I see changing in design and user experience design specifically. One is design really gets a seat at the table when it comes to the business success, and more so becomes a way companies are run. So it's not that just design is how it looks and feels, it's how a company operates with the user or the customer in the center and their needs in the center, and then everything else evolves around it. And everyone who works at a company has that in mind and in their daily work contributes to a great user experience, which in turn leads to a higher customer lifetime value. In UX specifically, we are in a world that is evolving so drastically into becoming solely digital, and digital is kind of the energy of the 21st century. So UX designers become teachers, but also they have to be very open-minded and get a holistic understanding of design to just leverage new technologies, new processes, and in turn really create new experiences, not just interfaces, not just apps or services, but really new experiences for people. The most important skill for a UX designer in the past and now and in the future is empathy. And the understanding that both the people we work with and the people we work for determine what we're doing and how we're doing things. And the job of the designer is to bring those people together, to study the customer needs, to create an environment where your coworkers and you work together in creating design solutions for customers, and in turn build a successful business. So it's much less about actual design skills and usability tools and so on and so forth. And it's more a holistic understanding that design is the way companies are run in the future and products are built in the future, and the way people look at the world and create better products.